Like, I want to touch on that because we talked about the pay when you close on the sale, but also the quality of the roof. Like, I want to shout that out because when I saw you actually so far that have been completed, and we have a third one coming up, I've seen both of the roofs. Like, I don't know if I ever told you this. So after the hurricanes of '03 and '05, I was doing roofing. I'm not licensed. I was helping on restoration projects. So I had some great roofers like you who were teaching us how to make sure a roof was done well, right?
Right.
And so when I see a roof, everybody laughs at me. I can tell you if a roof is done right or not. I can't necessarily do it, but I can tell you if it has been. And the roofs are amazing. Like the drip edge is one of the biggest complaints I have with some of the older houses. It's not having enough wood. Even some of the newer roofs. Like I've seen a new roof with like a tiny little drip edge. I'm like, what were they thinking?
Oh yeah, yeah. We talked about this the other day actually. Another client of yours, I went out to New Orleans. The roof's 2 years old, but there's no drip edge on it. I mean, the entire perimeter is unsealed. So you know, and when I bring this up to the homeowner, they're upset. But you know, it's one of those situations where you really want to know it on the front end. You know, so I appreciate you saying that. And we do take pride in that, no pun intended. You know,
Pride Roofing, taking pride in what you do. It rings with the name. Can you explain what a drip edge is to the folks that are listening in?
Sure. So the drip edge is going to go ahead and lock down the perimeter of your roof. So it's that piece of metal that's going to go right on the eaves, right over underneath that starter shingle. Okay. So if you see the metal, if you're standing outside your house and you look up, look at the eave of the roof. That metal right there is the most important part of the roof. It really is. I mean, that's what's keeping you dry inside the home. So any water from the rain that's coming, running off the roof, it's all coming down to the perimeter, right? Yeah. And if that perimeter is unsealed, I mean, you're going to get water in immediately, and it's not going to take long. It will not take long before you start seeing solid wood, soffits getting messed up. It's a big deal. And, what Pride offers, what we offer, is we own Crown Metals, right? And Crown Metals is a metal company. It's our sister company. So we make all of our metal in-house. We fabricate it on site. So it's it's top of the line, 26 gauge, heavy duty, all that good stuff. So
nice.
I appreciate you saying that. Thank you.
No, that's even better to know that, like the level of what you do in the work, like knowing that you guys do that in-house. And I want to show people, like we can do like a little tutorial. I'm at the back of my house right now. So you see this little edge here where the gutter's coming down. That part there is the soffit, and right at the edge of it is where the drip edge would be. So there we go, live and action explanation. Y'all just learned something about me.
It is. Show and tell. Yep, that's it. That's the most important part of the roof right there. It really is.